create our own WordPress plugin chatbot. This is my website. You can see in this website, we're going to implement the chatbot. So that chatbot can answer anything for your website. So first of all, I'm going to use here the AI tool, and that is called Cursor AI. So open that new tab and just type here Cursor AI and open the cursor.com website, and you need to download that code editor. Once you download and install it, open that Cursor AI tool. So I have that Cursor AI. So first of all, I'm going to create one folder here. So click on the open project and then go to the desktop or anywhere and click on new folder and create one folder like WP Zamini chatbot. Okay, and click on create. Now select that folder and click on open. Now we have that blank folder and we have no file here. Now in the right side, you will see the prompt option, and in that prompt, we need to just write here, create a chatbot WordPress plugin integrated with Zamini API. I'm gonna use here free Zamini API. That chatbot should have icons, fantastic design. Okay, now here we are gonna implement the Zamini API. So just enter now and wait some second, and that will create one WordPress plugin for us. You need to just accept all these files. You can see he created one file, and here you can add your author name. You can see the author name is your name, so you can add your name here as like PCB, the coding bus like this. You can add your own version, you can add your own website here, and make sure you need to accept all these files. Now, he created all these files, but make sure we need to just find out which Zamini version he added. As you can see, Zamini Pro he added. So make sure just tell them, please add the free Zamini version, maybe plus one or other one, okay? And just enter, and he will update that file, because once you use the Pro version, then you need to get a Pro version API key, but we are not gonna spend the money on that. Now, as you can see, he updated the Flash version. So this is a free version, Zamini free version. Okay, now let's wait some seconds and he will update all these files and it's done. Now, just go to your folder where you created. So we created that folder in the desktop. We created that folder in the desktop. As you can see, WP Zamini chatbot. Open that folder. Okay, now what we need to do, you can see all these files here. Just go back and make sure right click on that folder and just click on compress. Now we have a zip file. Okay, now go to your any WordPress website and I'm going to go to the dashboard. Let's click on the plugin and click on the add new plugin. Click on upload plugin, click on choose file, just select that zip file and open it and just install now and click on activate plugin and we are done. We have that plugin, WP Zamini chatbot. In the left side, you will find the setting option and let's figure out where is that plugin, and this plugin is, now just activate that plugin. Now find that plugin is in the setting. You can see in the setting option Zamini chatbot, and in the setting option you will find here the Google Zamini API. Now we need to open the new tab and just type here aistudio.google.com. Click on the get API key, scroll down and just copy that API key from here. Just copy it, go to your website and paste that key here and just save it. Now just open your website in incognito or anywhere and let's see how this will work. Good. In the right bottom, you'll see the chat option. Click on this chat and you can see the Zamini chatbot, and let's say suppose hello, and you can see hello there, how can I help you today? And what is how to travel the world. Enter. Oh my god, I got a law, and you can see traveling the world's a dream of many, and we have the answers like this. Now you have your own chatbot that you have already built using the AI tool, and you can use it. You can modify that chatbot that will answer according to your website only. You just need to tell to the Cursor AI to modify it accordingly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.